Greetings! I'm excited to share After Effects tips to enhance your workflow. I hope you find them helpful. To expedite the startup of After Effects, follow these steps. Navigate to the Edit menu, select Preferences, then choose Startup and Repair. Uncheck the Enable Home Screen option. If your project takes too long to preview, or if something looks off, try clearing the cache. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and choose Media and Disk Cache. You can also make things faster by increasing the maximum disk cache size. After that, restart After Effects, and you're all set. To speed up pre-rendering, press the Caps Lock button after selecting the Comp Timeline panel. This accelerates rendering in your projects using RAM. Is your pre-render too slow? Try this trick. Go to the menu, click Window, enable Preview, and in the Preview tab, select Resolution. Change it as needed. Note that this setting is separate from the main pre-render resolution. You can set the main resolution to full, and when you hit the spacebar, After Effects will pre-render at a third resolution. This might come in handy. If you want After Effects to automatically set the anchor point in the center when you create a new shape, follow these steps. Go to General Settings, enable Center Anchor Point in New Shape Layer, and then restart After Effects. After Effects usually sets your animation path to Bezier by default. If you want to change it to linear, you can do it in two ways. First, select all frames, right-click, choose Keyframe Interpolation, and switch Spatial Interpolation to linear. Alternatively, go to the menu, select Preferences, then General, and enable Default Spatial Interpolation to linear. Perhaps you've encountered situations where files go missing or the root folder of your project changes. In the Project panel, right-click on the absent file, choose Replace Footage, and simply set the new file address. The optimal method for animating shapes is through path animation. To enable path animation, follow these steps. In the Timeline Layer options, go to Content and find Rectangle, Rectangle Path, right-click on the rectangle path, and convert to Bezier path. Use Sequence Layers for efficiency. Select all layers, go to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Sequence Layers. When working with a camera in After Effects, improve control by following these steps. After creating a new camera, click on the default next to Classic 3D and set the view on top. Add a new null object and parent the camera to the null object for better control. Make your work easier by turning on snapping and selecting Snap Along Edges. To animate an object along a custom path in After Effects, follow these steps. Copy the path from the path layer with Ctrl+C, then go to the Shape Layer options, press P on your keyboard, and paste the path with Ctrl+V. To replace footage, shapes, images, etc., select the item in the Project panel, hold the Alt button, and drag it onto the footage or layer you want to replace. To locate the source file for a layer in your local folder or the project panel, right-click on the layer and choose Reveal in Explorer or Layer Source in Project. The quickest way to create a mask is by using a new shape as the mask. Just enable Tool Creates Mask. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.